Hey, it's Leah here, and I want to talk about TextBot. Absolutely loving this system, and I just got home from Hawaii, so it's time to get busy. I thought I'd sit here and wear my 𝗧𝗏𝗃 Hawaii shirt just so that I can remind myself how easy it is to work from your smartphone or laptop right from the comfort of anywhere in the world. So if you're looking for something that you can make extra income or learn how to advertise your business with a robot, let's get started. I want to show you how cool this system is and how you can start making $100 or $500 equaling $600. It's super fun, and it's right here just working from your computer. So let me turn this around. Let's get started. All right, so right here you can see me on my screen. Sorry about that, but I do have other videos just to show you how simple and easy this is. You can see I've already made $5,100 in sales with this simple system. All you have to do is just share a phone number, come in here and copy to your clipboard and share it out there. Everything on the far right hand side is easy to use, so it gives you your dashboard. You can chat with your individuals right here on the screen, and you can talk to people right in this chat. So I have other videos on this. Sorry if this is kind of showing up a little dark here and showing you my screen staring at you. So we have pending payments. Anytime you have a pending payment, you just come in here and you will allow that pending payment to either be received or not received. Right now I'm just waiting on this one because she would like to do one of the other programs that will be coming up soon. So it's just a reminder. But here you can also export to a CSV, Excel, or print these so that you know where your payments are coming from. Right here is your leads. You can just plug into all your leads and see what's happening. So it's super simple and easy. This has got to be the easiest system I've ever been on. Right here will be my resellers. So it's kind of my team. Right here is the resources. You get your swipe copy right from this section. And that you just click on, click copy, and you just take it wherever you want to copy it. This is so simple. Click on training videos to get started. I do give you some extra bonuses to kind of walk you through on other things that you can do, but right here is the monthly program. You can do it monthly or one time, but when you do it monthly, you get double the credits. It's a no-brainer. I obviously take the tire kicker, and it is plenty. So if I jump back to my dashboard, you can see I still have usage, and I use this every day. That might change in the future, but you can always upgrade and add more usage in there. But you can constantly be getting payments sent to you. The second one does go up to your sponsor, so hopefully they're helping you and you got the right sponsor. Right here, you'll be able to just get started from the comfort of your smartphone or your computer. So if you have any questions, anything I can answer, I'll see you on my next video. It'll be better than this one. I'll see you next time, but thanks for watching. Bye for now.